guys, today's video, let's learn how to fix Outlook crashing. So first of all, you're going to have to press Windows and R. Then here type in %LocalAppData %. You're going to have to do this time and again, maybe like once a month, so that when this is cleared up, your application will not crash. So once you type in this, select OK. From here, click on any folder, then type in T. You will see Temp folder. Double click onto it, select everything that you can, then select Delete. And these files and these data will be accumulated again. So you may go ahead and check this box, select Continue. Delete everything that you can, and for those whom you cannot delete, you may go ahead and skip it. Now the next step is checking if it works now. So simply go ahead and type in Outlook and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to uninstall this program. So type in Outlook again, type in Uninstall. And likewise, you're going to have to uninstall that application from this section. So simply type in Outlook and select this three dot icon, select Uninstall. Once you do so, you may go ahead and open a browser, type in Outlook login. Once done, you will see Outlook. Click onto it and get logged into your account. If it's working fine from here, but it's not working good on your application, then that means the problem was in your Outlook app. So you may go ahead, launch your Microsoft Store. And from here, type in Outlook. And once you do so, you're going to have to install Outlook from here. And likewise, the problem will be solved. Thank you all for watching.